Students, now we will see how to obtain the inverse of the given matrix in a shortcut. Okay, so if there is a there is a square matrix of order 3 that is given to you, how will you find the uh, inverse of a matrix in just one step and have that as a reference, so that when you do all the elementary row operations you can verify whether the answer is right or wrong. So first point to be noted is, do not show this method in the exam paper, do it as a rough work. It is only for you guys to verify whether the answer is right or wrong. So the first step is verify the determinant of it. You know how to find the determinant. 0 into anything is going to be 0. Minus 1 into 1 minus 9 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 into 1 minus 6. So this will give you minus 8 plus 10, which will give you 2. So the determinant of A is 2. This will also give you an assurance that since it is not 0, you have an inverse existing for it. So to find the inverse, what you do is write the given matrix as it is: 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. So repeat this part along the horizontal. So 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3, 1. Similarly, repeat the first two along the horizontal in this direction. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So after you do this, right, so this is based on observation. Okay, it is because when you find the inverse and all, you take the transpose and all those things, right? It is in order to the transpose of the adjoint matrix, right? Adjoint is basically the cofactor matrix and all those things. So there you will have minus and plus sign. In order to avoid that, we are writing in this way. Okay, don't think of the logic for this, just follow this. Okay, so hide this row and this column. Okay, now look at this. Cross multiply and subtract them like how you do in determinants. Don't multiply with any number, just cross multiply and subtract those numbers. 2 into 1, so start from the left to right and right to left. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. Okay, so you are getting minus 1. So write minus 1 here. Similarly, do for the next two. 3 into 3 minus 1 into 1. So you'll get 9 minus 1, which is 8. Though you're doing along the horizontal, keep writing them vertically. So you get 8 here, you write 8 here, because you will take the transpose for the adjoint matrix, that is for the cofactor matrix. That is the reason why I am writing the rows along the columns. Okay, so 1 into 1 minus 3 into 2. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Similarly, start from here. 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1. So 2 minus 1 is going to give you 1. Start writing in the next column. 1 into 0 minus 3 into 2. It is minus 5. So 1 into 0, minus 6, right? It is minus 6. Minus 6. Similarly, 3 into 1 minus 1 into 0. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus 0. Okay, now again you do it here. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. So 3 minus 2 is minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 0. So you just write it as 2. 0 into 2 minus 1 into 1. So it is going to be minus 1. Just a small correction here. I think it is plus 8 minus 2. I just checked it. So plus 8 and this is going to give you minus 10. So the answer is minus 2. It is not plus 2. Okay. So you got this matrix, right? This is the adjoint matrix. This is the adjoint of A. And we know that adjoint of A divided by the determinant of A is going to give you the answer. So determinant is minus 2. And 1 by minus half is going to get multiplied with every element in this set. Right. So it is going to get multiplied with every element. So answer will be 1 by 2 minus half plus half minus 4, 3 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and half. Trust me, since I've explained this, it took so much time, but if you practice for 4-5 problems, you will be able to do it faster. Okay, let's verify whether this answer is right or not. Half minus half in the first row, then minus 4 3 minus 1, minus 4 3 minus 1, then you have 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and half. Right, so this is a shortcut to find the inverse of a given matrix in just 2 steps or 3 steps. Okay, practice them so that you're able to do well in the